there are plenty of factors that can affect the air quality in your kitchen, from the odors from last night's dinner to the smoke from burning toast for this morning's breakfast. Now, air purifiers can do a great job, but you need to choose wisely. To deal with everything a kitchen can throw at you, you're going to need an air purifier that has a pre-filter that you can wash and clean easily, that utilizes a HEPA filtration to capture the smallest of particles found in smoke, includes pelleted activated carbon filtration to deal with unwanted smells and chemical gases, and is large enough to clean the air in your kitchen 4 times in an hour. Comes with an auto mode so you can focus on cooking and let the air purifier work in the back. And lastly, you probably want an air purifier that doesn't cost an arm and a leg to run. With all that in mind, we've shortlisted the air purifiers that in theory should do a good job in your kitchen. But theory can be deceptive. That's why before choosing the 3 air purifiers for a kitchen, I tracked how fast the air purifiers can clean the air from smoke pollutants in our test room. I measured how much electricity the air purifier consumed when running at top speed. I recorded how noisy each unit can get to. And I calculated how much money you'll need to spend to replace the filters each year. Right, intro out the way, let's get to it. Our top pick is the Shark HP 102. It offers excellent air cleaning power. It removed all the incense smoke in our test room in 38 minutes. It also comes with an onboard air quality sensor that tells you exactly how bad the air quality is in your kitchen. It comes with a unique type of air filtration technology, the Shark NanoSeal filter. This is an effective combination of a true HEPA filter with a microband coating that inhibits the growth of bacteria on the filter and a layer of activated carbon to deal with odors. My budget pick is the Levoit Core 300S. It offers excellent air cleaning performance, cleaning our test room in 39 minutes. It comes with the all-important auto mode that allows you to concentrate on cooking while the air purifier works in the background. It's regularly found for $150 or less, and it's currently the best priced smart air purifier in the market today. My top pick for large kitchens is the Alen 45i. It boasts powerful air cleaning performance, managing 4 air changes per hour in kitchens up to 500 square feet. It comes with a HEPA H13 filter and activated carbon pellets for dealing with any kitchen odors. It cleaned our test room in 33 minutes, and it comes with a lifetime warranty when you get the filter subscription. If none of these air purifiers seem like a good fit, then be sure to check out our full article. Go to Google and search for Housefresh Kitchen Air Purifiers. As always, if you have any questions about what I've shared today or disagree with my top picks, then be sure to hit me up with an email. I'm Danny@housefresh.com. Okay.